Now they have frames for standing, which is a very good advantage because there is positive effects of standing, are physiological improvement in bladder and bowel function, alleviation of orthostatic hypotension, prevention of pressure ulcers, reduction in muscle contractures and osteoporosis, and also improved circulation. There's also psychological benefits from being able to interact with other people. So in the seated position with someone standing, it implies an adult-child relationship, whereas standing and interacting face-to-face implies a relationship among peers. So the standing frames, they're classified as, or categorized as prone standers, supine standers, upright standers, and mobile standers. So prone are the most common type, and they provide a wide support of the anterior front of the body. So weight bearing along the long bones and lower extremities is a major benefit. So weight bearing strengthens the bone and can limit advancement of osteoporosis that results from prolonged immobility and lack of weight bearing. So it has a supportive surface for the upper extremities as the user leans on it. Then it provides also a work surface for the activities such as writing, playing with toys, or communication. They're also generally tilted forward to use gravity assist to maintenance of an upright position standard. So supine standards are less common because they provide support for the posterior side of the body. So because the user is leaning back, it's more difficult to use hands. Their line of sight is also affected. But this type of stander is used for people who might not have good head control, since it's supine and it supports the head. Upright standers provide complete weight bearing on the lower extremities. So people who have good upper body strength can use the stationary models. Now there's mobile versions that are often sit to stand that allow changes in positions from sitting to standing throughout the day. And it can be either powered or manual. So the standing wheelchairs are, they have functional and social benefits. So you can do a bunch of daily living tasks such as cooking, and it's a lot simplified. So if somebody's able to lift up from their wheelchair, they're able to reach cabinets and the stoves without requiring any environmental modifications. So individuals who are using the standing wheelchair, they also report positive psychological benefits because they're at the same level as others.